Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Luke's original lightsaber, which is also gonna be Rey's lightsaber. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this lightsaber, and to begin we're gonna start out right in the middle first. We're just gonna draw in a rectangle. So this is gonna be kind of in the middle of the lightsaber. And then we'll just go from there. So there's going to be a lot of details inside here, but let's just rough out the overall shape of the lightsaber first. So we're going to start and go out toward the back. We're just going to extend this line because the back is a little bit thicker, and then we're just going to draw another rectangle, and this one's going to be a little bit longer. So you can use like a ruler or any other drawing aid to help you draw these straight lines. Okay, so let's add in a little bit of detail on the back here. Right in the center of this, I'm just gonna draw one bar. So just two lines. So this part is gonna be black. And then right in here, just draw a little circle. Okay, and then right in here on the bottom, I'm gonna draw one more. So this whole thing is gonna be black as well. And then on this side, I'm gonna draw like a little oval. So it's kind of like this, but then because we're seeing it more from the side, so it's a little bit squashed down. Okay, and then we're gonna draw one more on the top here. So that's gonna be black. I know it's a little bit tricky, all these lines. So wherever there's an oval, we know that this is gonna be black. So let's just go ahead and finish up the back right here. Let's draw a little rectangle, and this is gonna be like some kind of latch and little hook. So from this, just curve out, and then close it off. And then once you have this shape, I'm just gonna go all the way around. So it's like a little ring. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the back, and let's go back to the middle. So right in the middle right here, I'm just gonna draw another rectangle. Just divide it up right in the middle. Now on the inside, draw one line here. And then now I'm gonna draw a bunch of lines going this way. So these are the smaller details. So just try to space it out evenly if you can. Just go all the way across. Alright, and then once you have these lines on the bottom here, just gonna make like little triangles right here. So just very small detail. Again, all the way across. Okay, and then there's some kind of hook here. I'm not sure what this thing's for, but right in the middle, I'm gonna draw a little circle and then curve around it like this. And then once you have this little curve, I'm gonna slant it up and hook it back down. And then now I'm gonna draw one line right here coming across. And then I'm gonna taper it, just kind of close it off, make it nice and sharp. Okay, so yeah, a lot of little details in there, but it's kind of cool looking. Alright, so now we can draw the front, and the tip of it is a lot easier. So right here, just gonna draw one straight line. Okay, it's all wobbly, but you get the idea. So this is pretty long. It's actually longer than the handle on the back. Okay, so once you have this, we're gonna come back down here. I come out, leave a little bit of space, and then this part, we're gonna go up. And then from here, I'm just gonna start on the tip here. I'm gonna curve it all the way down and close everything off. Alright, and then once we have that, let's finish up the tip right here. Come up right here. Let's draw a little angle. And then one more smaller one, so that's gonna be the tip of the lightsaber. Alright, and then on the inside, I'm going to draw one circle right here. Divide it in half. And then on each side, I'm just going to draw a little oval. Alright, and then we're going to go straight up here from this on the side. Just draw like a little box right on top here. And again, let's add a little bit of detail here. This is some kind of knob. So I'm just going to draw a bunch of lines across. And then on the top here, just one more smaller rectangle. And now come to the side here. And then from this point, come down. Draw the same rectangle as the one on top. So it's a lot of little details, but it's very easy to draw and it does make it look cooler. So now let's finish up the tip right here. From this line, I continue up. Come across here, draw the same line. And then close it off with a dome shape. And then lastly, if you want to add in some detail in here, we can add a couple of lines. And that is it for this lightsaber. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.